Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best hair straighteners is probably one of the most sought-after tools for achieving sleek, smooth, and salon-worthy hair right in the comfort of your own home, transforming frizzy or unruly locks into a polished masterpiece with just a few effortless passes, making it an indispensable part of many beauty routines for those who desire a flawlessly straight finish. Number 5. HerStyler Argan Oil Hair Repair Serum. Introducing HerStyler Hair Repair Serum, your solution for frizzy and damaged hair. This argan oil-infused serum is designed to bring life back to your locks. Worried about greasy hair? This serum smooths your strands without weighing them down. Enjoy a polished, soft, and manageable look with a natural, weightless finish. Tired of frizz? This product helps tame flyaways and split ends. A few drops provide a smooth finish without any buildup, keeping your hair sleek all day. Achieve and maintain smoothness and manageability throughout the day. Apply as needed to keep your hair looking its best, adapting to your unique styling needs. Designed for all hair types, including dyed and processed hair. It enhances shine and softness without dulling your color, making it a versatile addition to your routine. Prefer a light fragrance? This serum has a subtle, clean scent that won't overpower. It keeps your hair smelling fresh with a soft, pleasant aroma. What we like? This serum is incredibly lightweight and won't leave your hair feeling greasy. It offers fantastic frizz control that lasts throughout the day. If you have color-treated or processed hair and are looking for a serum that enhances shine and softness without dulling your color, this is the one for you. What people say. The ceramic plates glide smoothly through hair, reducing frizz and adding shine. It heats up quickly, reaching the perfect temperature in under 30 seconds. The adjustable temperature settings allow for customization based on hair type, preventing heat damage. Number 4. HerStyler Hair Straightening Comb, Pink. Tired of tangles? This V-shaped comb is your secret weapon for prepping hair. It glides through strands, leaving them perfectly smooth and ready for straightening. Style with confidence. This comb shields your hands from heat, keeping them safely away from hot plates. It firmly holds hair, allowing for effortless styling. Achieve salon-worthy results at home. This tool gives you superior control, making straightening a breeze. Get sleek, smooth hair with every pass. Your go-to for on-the-go touch-ups. Its compact design makes it perfect for travel, ensuring you always arrive in style with perfectly straightened hair. More than just a straightener. This versatile tool is also great for quick trims. The secure grip holds hair perfectly for precise cutting. What we like? This comb is designed to detangle your hair effortlessly, making the straightening process much smoother. It also cleverly protects your hands from heat. If you're looking for a tool that makes styling easier, protects you from burns, and is compact enough for travel touch-ups, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The ceramic plates glide smoothly through hair, reducing frizz and adding shine. It heats up quickly, reaching the desired temperature in under 30 seconds. The adjustable temperature settings allow for customization based on hair type and styling needs. Number 3. Briogeo Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Crème. Say goodbye to frizz and hello to smooth, manageable hair. This crème is your secret weapon for a flawless finish. Protect your strands from heat damage during styling. It creates a barrier, ensuring your hair stays healthy and strong. Achieve a sleek, polished look with this anti-frizz hair cream. It smooths away flyaways for a salon-quality style. Enriched with nourishing argan oil, it adds moisture and shine. Your hair will feel soft and look radiant. Enjoy beautiful hair with a product that's good for you and the planet. It's vegan and cruelty-free. Make blow-drying a breeze. This crème helps you achieve a perfect style with ease, leaving hair looking its best. What we like? This crème provides excellent heat protection while being silicone-free. It's also a vegan and cruelty-free option for conscious consumers. If you prioritize natural ingredients and ethical sourcing while seeking a product to shield your hair from heat damage and smooth it during styling, this is a great pick. What people say. It straightens my hair in one pass. It works really well on my thick, curly hair. Number 2. Aquage Straightening Ultragel. Discover the secret to sleek, straight hair with Aquage Straightening Ultragel. This innovative formula provides long-lasting hold and a brilliant shine. Achieve salon-worthy straight hair with ease. It tames frizz and flyaways, leaving your locks smooth and manageable. Protect your hair from heat styling damage. This gel acts as a barrier, ensuring your hair stays healthy and strong. Enjoy perfectly straight hair that lasts all day. Its powerful formula keeps your style in place without stiffness. Add a touch of glamour to your look. It enhances your hair's natural shine, making it look vibrant and healthy. Experience the difference for yourself. Get Aquage Straightening Ultragel today and transform your hair. What we like. This gel offers a strong hold for straightened styles, ensuring they last. It's also designed to resist humidity, keeping frizz at bay. If you have stubborn hair that tends to frizz in humid conditions and you want a sleek, long-lasting straight look, this gel is your best bet. What people say. This product goes on damp hair after shampooing and conditioning, before blow drying. Make sure you shake the bottle really well. Then apply just a small amount from roots to ends, and I can guarantee you that you will have straight hair after blow drying. Therefore, using a flat iron becomes optional. Keeps my hair nice and smooth and straight, instead of frizzy. Great for helping hair stay calm in humid climates. Number 1. Keragen Brazilian Keratin Hair Treatment Kit. Discover the revolutionary way to achieve smooth, shiny hair. Our premium straightening cream is the perfect alternative to expensive salon treatments. Experience the benefits of our sulfate-free formula. It respects your hair's natural balance while eliminating frizz and curls for a lasting straightening effect. This all-in-one kit provides everything you need for silky, frizz-free hair. Achieve salon-straight results in the comfort of your own home. More than just a straightener, it repairs and nourishes damaged strands. Enjoy deep conditioning and effective hair repair for healthier-looking locks. Say goodbye to frizz and unruly curls. Achieve the smooth, straight hair you've always dreamed of with our powerful anti-frizz solution. What we like. This kit utilizes Brazilian keratin for a powerful straightening and smoothing effect. It's also completely sulfate-free, respecting your hair's natural balance. If you're looking for a comprehensive at-home solution to achieve salon-straight, silky, and frizz-free hair, especially if you have dry or damaged hair, this all-in-one kit is perfect. What people say. It has literally given me an even better result, for a fraction of the price. Silky, frizz-free, shiny hair that feels like it came straight out of a salon. My hair stays flat and not frizzy. My hair is glossy and soft. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.